thank all of you for showing up. We appreciate it. I want to say that appearing before the 10th Circuit and these judges instills in me the confidence in our judicial system. For those of you who were able to get a ticket to get inside, I'm sure you saw that each and every one of the three judges clearly had read all of the material, and to have read 300 plus pages of our briefs, over 40 amicus briefs, is just an incredible task, and they took it on. And the questions they asked us were the most relevant questions that you could ask. And so we look forward to a swift decision and have confidence that these judges will give this case the serious consideration it deserves. And we look forward to bringing marriage equality to Utah and the rest of the 10th Circuit.
Quick question. Quick question.
Yes.
Standard review is so much a part of the discussion. Can you discuss that a little bit and what you think they're getting at, what your position is on that?
Well, I think, and I'll just answer one question on legal, because I really want you to talk to our plaintiffs. They're who this case is about, not me. I just happen to be the lucky person to have been chosen to make the arguments. Is when you have equal protection claims like we have, there are three levels of scrutiny. There is strict scrutiny, intermediate, and rational basis. And strict scrutiny is a very tough standard. Intermediate is a difficult standard, and under both of those, the state has the burden to prove that the state law should be upheld. Under rational basis review, we have the burden, and our position is, regardless of the standard you apply, we, in fact, will win, because whether it's strict scrutiny, intermediate, or rational, there is no connection between the exclusion of same-sex couples and any of these interests, even if they are valid, and we question a number of them.
What is the animus that is revealed in the law by examining the text of the Constitution? What is the animus?
The animus, using the constitutionally crafted term of art, is where you have a law like Amendment 3 that singles out a group of people and treats them dissimilarly or unequally for that purpose. That's what animus means. And in this case, Amendment 3 has animus not because people are bigoted or have mean hearts. It's because the only purpose of it was to exclude same-sex couples and treat them unequally. Thank you, guys. Yay for the plaintiffs.
Good morning, this is Derek Kitchen speaking. I stand before you a humbled and proud man. I'm thrilled and honored to be here standing next to my partner, Moody Spatey, in requesting that our appeal be heard by the justices. It's an honor to be in the courtroom. I'm just so proud. Do you have something to say?
Good morning. My name's Cody Partridge. This is my wife, Laurie Wood. We are grateful that we could be here today to hear Peggy, with the help of her legal team, argue our case so well, and with the hopes of advancing marriage equality in Utah and in the 10th Circuit. And we are grateful for the weight that the three judges gave to this case, asking great questions and listening with care. And we are hopeful that we will see a wonderful decision come out of this circuit court. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Kate Call. This is my wife, Karen Archer. We were legally married in Iowa, and we look forward to the day when we can cross from state to state, including to our home state of Utah, and still have our marriage recognized. Thank you.
How'd you guys think it went in there?
We were just thrilled to be there, to have the weight given to our case that the judges gave. They gave it serious consideration. The judges gave our case serious consideration, and it's an honor to have them take our case. We're just waiting to hear their decision.
Did you get a sense as to where any of them seemed to be leaning? Were you counting heads in there?
That's not my job, and I don't want to get lost in that. But
What's it like for you to hear legal arguments, very technical in nature, that are in effect really affecting your lives moving forward?
well, there are thousands of same-sex couples across this country that are affected by similar anti-gay laws and marriage discrimination laws, and I think that I speak for a number of couples when I say that it's hard to hear people argue against us, because we are loving and committed individuals that have committed one another emotionally, spiritually to our partners, and so it's a difficult thing to hear when they're arguing against us. But knowing that I have a strong partner in Moody really helps me get through it, and I know that our plaintiff couples feel the same way.
The Attorney General came to you guys before the hearing got underway and approached you and talked to you.
Yes.
What do you think about what he said to you?
You know, I appreciate his outreach, and I don't fully understand his position, and I don't know if I can quite grasp what it was that he said to us, because he is arguing against us after all, and our lives are on the line here.
Do you think he was sincere in what he told you? One of the things I heard him tell you is that he's sorry he's putting you through this pain. So do you think he's sincere in saying that?
I do believe he is a sincere man. I do believe his intentions are true, and I believe that he does not want to hurt us. However, Amendment 3 and similar marriage discrimination laws across the country hurt same-sex couples.
George, I know that you've already sort of addressed this, but if you could sort of take another comment into it, feeling coming out. How do you feel the arguments went today? What's your gut feeling about how this is going to turn out?
My gut feeling is that we are on the right side of history. I believe that our attorneys have put forth the strongest argument possible, and now we just need to wait for the decision to come down from the judges.
And folks, that'll actually be it for the Q&A portion. But folks, they will be available shortly for one-on-ones. Just look safe.
I'm sorry, no. He said that he doesn't want to hurt us, that he realizes that our families are just as important as emotionally connected to one another as heterosexual couples. He said a number of things, but it was